Okay, getting a bit dramatic with the statues here.
Seriously? Why decorate a treasure burial site?
Or build elaborate tests. Ugh. I'll never get used to this.
It's another cross. At least this one has some jewels on it, right?
Whoa, whoa, don't touch it.
What? Why?
Look at it. It's the only valuable thing we've seen in this cave.
Right.
This is another test.
Agreed.
Yeah. Or lack thereof.
Okay, so...
It's gotta be the coins.
Are we sure about this?
I'm pretty sure.
Pretty sure we'll have to do.
Just one now.
Agreed. I got it. Please don't be a trap.
You recognize the shape?
It's Madagascar.
Look. Star right here.
It's Kings Bay.
Yes, it is.
Son of a bitch. He's screwing with us.
What are you talking about?
Avery, he's screwing with us. This was supposed to be it, so where's the goddamn treasure, huh? I mean, Kings Bay, great. Well, what's next? North Pole? Outer space? Nathan.
For those who prove worthy, paradise awaits. He was recruiting.
Who was recruiting?
Avery was recruiting.
Recruiting for what?
Ah, crap.
You gentlemen are very, very noisy. Guns on the floor. Slowly. I still owe you from last time.
This way, come on!
God damn it!
I said, come on! Get out of there, I'll cover you!
On it!
Nathan!
I'm okay! I gotta get off this thing.
Get out of there, I'll cover you!
On it!
Nathan!
I'm okay! Get off this thing! Now's my chance! Come on, come on!
You like that? Shit!
Watch for you!
What's the plan?
I'm working on it.
Come on, you ready? We gotta go up to get out.
go. No. That works. Hey, Sam! Coming! In trouble now! Been waiting for this. No.
Man, we really kicked a hornet's nest, didn't we?
Yeah, we kicked it, punched it, and set it on fire.
Got it! Got one! You can't win! Ow! You're mine now! I try, asshole!
That was close.
God damn it, Nate, I can hear the fireworks from here. What the hell's going on?
Long story. Short version is get us the hell out of here.
Yeah, figured. Hold tight. Be there as soon as I can.
Sam! Watch the turret!
My turn now.
That's it! Let's keep moving!
Oh shit, Sam, sniper! Find cover!
up there! More of them!
Shot.
Up the scaffolding!
Shot, Nathan.
Crap! Think we're clear!
Hey, kid. There's no place to land up here. Can you make it down to the water?
Yeah, set her down. One way or another, we'll get to you. Keep running! Don't stop! How it always is for you? No! Kind of. Yeah. Yes. Yes, definitely. Keep running. Don't stop. Is this how it always is for you? No. Kind of. Yeah. Yes. Yes, definitely. Keep running. Don't stop. Is this how it always is for you? No. Kind of. Yeah. Yes. Yes, definitely. No! Keep running! Don't stop! Is this how it always is for you? No! Kind of. Yeah. Yes. Yes, definitely. No!
God, wasn't Victor saying the weather is lovely this time of year? I can't see shit!
Just keep heading down until we hit the water. Keep running! Don't stop! Is this how it always is for you? No! Kind of. Yeah. Yes. Yes, definitely. always is for you?
No! Kind of. Yeah. Yes. Yes, definitely.
Keep running. Don't stop. Is this how it always...
Oh! Kind of. Yeah. Yes. Yes, definitely.
Wasn't Victor saying the weather is lovely this time of year? I can't see shit.
Just keep heading down until we hit the water. Sam, down here!
Forget about them, man. Keep moving. No!
Sam, down here!
Forget about them, man. Keep moving.
Crap! We gotta get past these guys!
I hit him.
Boys, they're shooting at my plane. Hurry the hell up or your ride's gonna sink.